MOTPK Gaming Desk 55-inch Review 2026. Watch this before you make a choice. For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of cramped gaming spaces that leave you feeling claustrophobic and disconnected from your gaming experience? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the MOTPK Gaming Desk 55-inch. It's not just about having more space, it's about creating an immersive environment that elevates your gameplay. The MOTPK Gaming Desk is designed for serious gamers who demand the best setup possible. Therefore, I'm excited to dive into the features and performance of this behemoth of a desk. But first, let's talk about what sets it apart from other gaming desks on the market. I've been using this desk for the past week, and I have to say that it's already changed my gaming experience in ways I never thought possible. But don't just take my word for it, let's explore the details of this impressive piece of furniture. The MOTPK Gaming Desk 55-inch boasts a massive surface area of 55 inches wide by 31.5 inches deep, providing ample space to spread out your gaming setup. Therefore, you can finally have all your gear within easy reach without sacrificing any performance or comfort. One thing that caught my attention when I first unwrapped this desk was the premium quality of its materials. The sturdy steel frame and durable MDF top ensure that it can withstand even the most intense gaming sessions. However, what truly sets it apart is its innovative cable management system. The MOTPK Gaming Desk features a built-in cable organizer with multiple USB ports and a power outlet, keeping your cables tidy and within easy reach. Therefore, you can focus on what matters most, dominating your opponents. But let's not forget about the ergonomic aspects of this desk. The adjustable height settings and tilt function allow for seamless transitions between gaming and productivity modes. This means that whether you're in the middle of a heated gaming session or need to quickly respond to an urgent email, this desk has got you covered. I've also been impressed with the durability of this desk, which can withstand even the most enthusiastic gamers. Therefore, I'm confident that it will remain a faithful companion for years to come. Now that we've explored some of the key features and benefits of the MOTPK Gaming Desk 55-inch, let's talk about its performance in real-world gaming scenarios. In my testing, I found that this desk performed admirably across various games, from fast-paced FPS titles like Call of Duty to strategic multiplayer games like League of Legends. Therefore, whether you're a hardcore gamer or a casual enthusiast, this desk is sure to impress. One minor quibble I have with this desk is its size, which might be too large for smaller gaming spaces or bedrooms. However, if you have the space and want an immersive gaming experience that leaves no room for excuses, then the MOTPK Gaming Desk 55-inch is an absolute must-have. But what really sets it apart from other gaming desks on the market is its focus on ergonomics and comfort. Therefore, I'm excited to see how it performs in terms of long-term user satisfaction. In conclusion, after putting this desk through its paces, I can confidently say that it's one of the best gaming desks available today. For those willing to invest in a premium gaming setup that offers unparalleled performance, comfort, and durability, look no further than the MOTPK Gaming Desk 55-inch. But don't just take my word for it, experience it for yourself. For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description below.